Yeah, I remember you talking about CO2 and a study that you guys did, 1400 ppm and got a 30% increase in yield. So I thought that was pretty staggering amount of yield increase in CO2, and that just shows that one reason why it can be real beneficial there if you're chasing after yield.
Yeah, probably the first step in that is buying one of these lower cost CO2 monitors. So you can see, even for you in your tent at home, put the CO2 monitor in there and see. Typically, my house, I got CO2 monitors everywhere. My wife thinks I'm just nuts, and we're monitoring everything. CO2 levels approach 1,000 ppm all the time because people are in the house breathing. And our exhaled air is 40,000 ppm CO2. So we're automatically CO2 generators, and you get a few friends over and your CO2 goes to 2 or 3,000 ppm and you're great. The plants love it. Um, so oftentimes in houses, it's automatically elevated. But if you had one person in your house and 200 plants, the plants would outnumber the people and they would suck the CO2 down. And that's what happens in a big grow room. You have a lot of plants and not enough people, and then you have to elevate CO2, usually with the compressed gas or with the CO2 burner.
Yeah, I often mention in my videos that I get the free CO2 from myself, my wife, my 2-year-old, my cat. We're all supplementing CO2. Yeah, I've tried the other methods, the canisters, the mushroom bags. I know a lot of people use the tanks and stuff, but for me being a small home grower, I've been able to kind of get away with just me exhaling.
Yeah, and you're exactly right. And if you monitor it, you can see most of the effect happens between 400 ppm and 800 ppm. It's a nonlinear response. You don't have to get, once you put a system in, you might as well run it up to 1200 ppm. Um, but if you're above 800, you're getting most of the benefit of CO2. And you're absolutely right. All of our studies with CO2, the yield benefit is just stunning. And you can't see it. You got to have a control to compare it to because the plants don't change shape, they don't change color. The photosynthetic rate goes up and the yield goes up.
This clip is brought to you by VivoSun. Use discount code MrGrow15 to save on any of the gardening products. Go to the full episode by clicking the outro card here, or click the link in the description section below. Catch you in the next video.